How to fix pre-move in chess.com. I'm on an iPhone, but this works on Android and PC as well. The first thing we want to do is to open our chess.com app. And then you want to tap More down in the right corner. And then you want to tap Settings. And inside Settings you want to tap Play. And inside Play you want to tap Live Chess. And as you can see here, we have an option called Enable Pre-Moves. You gotta make sure that this switch is enabled. So now you should be able to use pre-moves during your games. So this is how you fix pre-move in chess.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.